Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear respected brothers and sisters in Islam and dear viewers, I welcome you once again to our lessons on the subject of inheritance in Islam. Today we are going to be dealing with the cases of inheritance distribution. Recall the hadith of Ibn Abbas that says that we give the fixtures that the Prophet ﷺ said, give the fixtures to their owners and whatever remains to the closest male relative of the deceased. And in assigning the fixtures to their owners, sometimes the total of the fixtures equal to 1. In that case, there's no problem and there's no residue to be given to the residuary. And then in some other cases, the sum of the fixtures may be greater than 1. In that case, we have the principle of owl. And then the third case is the case where the sum of the fixtures is less than 1. Where we have a case of rod. The second case is a case of owl, that is increase. And the third case of rod is return, where we have the sum of the fixtures less than 1. So we have cases of inheritance distributions as follow. So these are the 3 cases we want to deal with here by examples. We have one, we said, a case where the sum of the fixtures is equal to 1. The second case is where the sum of the fixtures is greater than 1. And then the third case is where the sum of the fixtures is less than 1. We'll be taking examples. Case 1 example. Let's say we have the following heirs, where we have father, mother, and 2 daughters. So according to the hadith, we assign the fixtures first. So we assign the fixture starting with the father. Father, we have 1/6 according to Quran chapter 4 verse 11, because there are children. There are 2 daughters here. And then the mother, likewise, we have 1/6, the same verse, Quran chapter 4 verse 11, because there are children. And then for the 2 daughters, according to Quran chapter 4 verse 11 as well, we'll be entitled to 2/3. So we are done with assignment of the fixtures. So we now total. Once you assign the fixtures, you total the fixtures. Total fixtures, we have 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 2/3. The LCM here is 6. Have 1 plus 1 plus 4, which is 6/6 is equal to 1. So in this case, there is nothing remaining. the total fixed shares equal to 1, you have exhausted the asset or the wealth or the estate. So there is no problem with this case. So if there are residuaries, brothers, uncles, nephew, whatever, they will not be entitled to anything. If these are the closest male relative to the deceased, they are cut off because there is no residue to be given to any residuary. Then case 2 example. Let's say we have the following heirs. We have wife, mother, and a daughter. Wife, mother. No, I think this is not the one I want to use right now. This is for the third case. Okay, let's say in this example we have father, mother, wife, and 2 daughters. Yes. So we assign the fixed shares again. This is the solution. The fixed shares for the father is entitled to 1/6 here still. Quran chapter 4 verse 11. And then the mother 1/6 because there are children. And then we have wife. Wife is entitled to in the presence of children. Wife is entitled to 1/8. Excuse me. Wife is entitled to 1/8. This case, this is Quran chapter 4 verse 12. In the presence of children. And then lastly we have the 2 daughters again. 2 daughters here again will be entitled to 2/3. This Quran chapter 4 verse 11. So having assigned the fixed shares, we total the fixed shares again. Total fixed shares. We have 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/8 plus 2/3. In this case, we have the LCM as 24. We have 4 plus 4 plus 3. 8 into 24 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 3 into 28 is 8 times 2, 16. So everything equal to 27/24. You can see it will be more than what is on ground, the property, that is more than 1. So in this case, you put all the fixed shares in the same denominator. So the shares will now look like this. We have the shares 4/24, 4/24, 3/24, and then 16/24 become what we are doing actually is to increase the denominator to equal the sum of the numerators. That is, we increase the denominator from 24 to 27, where these shares 4 over 24, 4 over 24, 3 over 24, and 16 over 24 become 4 over 27 instead of 24. We now have 4 over 27 instead of 4 over 24. We have 3 over 27 and then 16 over 27 for the two daughters. So final shares will look like this. Father is 4 over 27. Mother is likewise 4 over 27. And then wife is 3 over 27. And then two daughters is 16 over 27. That means each daughter will be half times, because there are only two of them, over 27. That will be 8. 8 over 27. If you like, I reduce the fraction and say 3 over 27 is 1 over 9. Okay, I think that is the only one you can reduce here. So we have had the father, mother, wife, and two daughters. Father, mother, wife, and the two daughters have been taken care of. So this is how we do. This is a case of aulu. We call it aul. That is that is increase. We increase the denominator to equal the sum of the numerators. Here the denominator is 24 and the sum of the numerators 27. So we increase that denominator 24 to 27. So instead of having the portions over the former denominator, we now have it over the sum of the numerators. That is from 4 over 24 to 4 over 27, and so on. So in that case, we have reduced the shares of each hair proportionately. So this is the case of owl. So this example, this is the case of owl or increase. So the third case, inshallah, we'll be going to the third case the next lesson. That is the case where the total fixed shares is less than 1, in which we have to return what is remaining, and there are no residuaries. We have to return it to the fixed sharers in proportion to their fixed shares. So this will be a little bit more involving. Inshallah, we stop here. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala spare our lives till the next lesson and beyond. Amin subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.